Excel, the ubiquitous spreadsheet software, plays a pivotal role in the business world. Let's explore some of the reasons why companies rely on Excel. Calculations and customized formulas. Excel allows businesses to create customized calculators by programming frequently used formulas. Whether it's financial projections, budgeting, or loan calculations, Excel simplifies repetitive number crunching tasks. Accounting and financial management. Companies use Excel for various accounting needs, budget plans, expense tracking, financial reports, and more. It's a go-to tool for finance professionals, with 89% of companies utilizing it for accounting functions, data visualization with charts. Excel's charting capabilities are impressive. From pie charts to line graphs, it transforms rows and columns of data into visually appealing representations. Whether you're analyzing sales trends or presenting data to stakeholders, Excel's charting features are invaluable. Inventory tracking. Managing inventory can be challenging, but Excel simplifies the process. It helps businesses stay organized by tracking stock levels, preventing shortages, and ensuring efficient supply management. Performance reporting and decision-making. Excel organizes data related to sales, expenses, and pay levels. Comprehensive reports guide business strategies and decisions. For instance, setting and monitoring sales targets becomes more manageable with Excel. In summary, Excel isn't just about spreadsheets. It's a versatile tool that empowers businesses to handle data, analyze trends, and make informed choices. So, whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, its impact on business operations is undeniable.